How to delete Cloudflare account permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete or remove your Cloudflare account permanently. So first, just head over to your Cloudflare account, and I hope you have already logged into your account. And since you want to delete it permanently, you just have to head over to its profile icon at the top right corner. Now simply select profile from over here, and once you click on it, just head over to your settings. Make sure you are inside your settings. Now simply scroll down and you will see the option called permanently delete your profile. So simply tap on this delete user account, and all the domains and workers associated with your primary account and any other accounts where you were the last active member will be deleted. So always keep that in mind. And once you keep that in mind, you can simply tap on this delete user button over here, and once you click on your delete, you just have to provide your email address which you use to register your account and your password, as well as type delete to confirm, and simply click on this verify. And once you fill up all of your captcha, you can simply tap on this delete user button finally, and you will have successfully deleted your account just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.